Alright guys, we're doing the Fire Mountain Challenge. This is going to be the solution for Fire Mountain. So, let's read the instructions first. It says, get the rover to the top of Fire Mountain. When he gets to the top, give him a blue point and spawn a star from the iceberg. You may not drive him to the top. He has to be programmed to get to the top. Do not drive him to the top. Happy coding. Alright, so we need to put something in here, make some code to have him drive from here to here at the very top of this mountain. And then when he gets to the top, he needs a blue point. And then when he gets a blue point, the star needs to spawn off of the iceberg. I'm going to start with the iceberg first. Let's do program win score of blue is equal to 1. We're going to do something. We're going to create a star once. And then let's get rid of the iceberg after it makes it. So then let's do combat vanish. Don't need the once, but okay, so then whenever it gets one blue point, it's going to create a star, and then it's going to get rid of the iceberg. Okay, step 1 done. Alright, now we need a path that gets us to the top of the mountain. So we can make whatever path we want. What is this? Oh, somehow I managed to... What is going on here? Okay, here we go. Green, 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 green. There. All right, there's my path. And if you hover over the path and hold Shift, selects everything, and let's go over the part where you're selecting the direction. Right click and click change direction. Now that one would take us to the bottom of the map. Bottom of the mountain, we don't want to do that. We want to go to the top of the mountain, so the arrow is pointing up. So as you can see, if you look at it again, all these are going up now, up to the very tip top. And now let's program our rover here. We can do always move on path green. And then let's make him move quickly. Now he's gonna walk up this path, and then when he's gonna get here, he's gonna start, just circling because he can't go down the path. The path tells him to go the other way. And as we notice that we got two different types of ground. We got this red, we got this like fire looking ground, and then up at the very top it's black. It's a different type of ground. So we can use that to our advantage here. So we can go to him, and we can say, when you're on land, which kind of land? Well, if we go all the way to the left, we can see what two were used. This is the fire ground. When you're on the black ashy ground, the very tip top of the mountain, when you're there at the top of the mountain, we want you to switch to page 2. Alright, so now he's going to walk all the way up to the top. He's going to touch this black part, and then he's going to switch to page 2, and since nothing is on page 2, he's just going to stop moving. So then we can do, now he's on page 2, and we can do always set score of blue to 1. Okay, so now he's going to walk up the path, get up here, switch to page 2, is going to stop moving. It's going to give a blue point. Then the iceberg's going to react, and then it's going to create a star. Let's see if it works. There he goes. Running, 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 running. And he made it. Perfect. We did it. Excellent work, guys. There's other ways to do this, but this is my one solution on how I did it. Good job.